The little bird making a big splash here at the New York Stock Exchange. With me now is the CEO of the NYSE Euronext, Duncan Niederauer. This stock right now trading at $49 a share. Walking by one trader saying, this is insane.
That's up to them. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. The market decides what the price is. Investors decide what the price is. And I think what I'm more focused on was what went on this morning. This was about the company. This was about investors. And this was about giving everyone in the world access to real-time information so they could make informed decisions about whether they wanted to own it or not. The way the stock's acting looks pretty good.
So, a lot of comparisons being made to Facebook's IPO at the NASDAQ, being compared here to Twitter's IPO here at the New York Stock Exchange. Compare the two. Can you even?
Yeah, I don't like to do that because I think it's unfair to Facebook. Like they're in the news too much about what happened with their IPO, and the fact is much of that was not attributable to anything they did. And I think it's unfair to keep dragging them through the mud. They're running a great company. They just had another great quarter. Their company's doing great. I think everyone should move on and just talk about Facebook's future, not their past. So that's my own opinion on that. As far as today, we basically did what we do here every day. The only thing we did differently was bring the cameras even more into the crowd than we normally do. But this is how we do things around here.
Got to mention Facebook though. How much is the New York Stock Exchange trying to get Facebook to come on over here?
That's not something we would talk about, and it's not something that's the focus. Today was about Twitter and about the investors and about market participants. So do I wish Facebook had listed here a year ago? Sure, of course I do. I'm a competitive person. We wish every company listed here. The fact is, today was about Twitter.
How did the whole process go today? And how effective was that dry run? Was that helpful as well?
Yeah, I thought for today, I think the dry run was as much to make all the market participants feel good, and it was just a good double check for us, right? We felt pretty confident the systems were more than robust enough to handle it, but I just said to the team, let's not take anything for granted. Let's make sure if people want to do weekend tests, if they want to get on industry calls, let's make ourselves available, let's volunteer, let's do that. So I think what the weekend test did was give all the market participants a sense that, hey guys, you can flood us with volume, we believe it's going to be okay, but let's do a test. And then I think everything worked exactly as we would have drawn it up this morning.
This IPO, how it seems to have gone pretty seamlessly, is a real feather in the cap for the New York Stock Exchange, isn't it?
We're really proud of it because, as I said to my team at a town hall meeting a couple of days ago, you don't have to go back that far to a time when we were winning 1 or 2 out of every 10 technology IPOs. Now we're winning 6 or 7 out of every 10 technology IPOs, including a lot of the important ones. So I think the wind's in our sails. No time to get complacent. We just have to keep being a great partner for these companies, show them how they can use the NYSE platform to their advantage, and we're good to go.